Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses and relays for the license plate light, tag light on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we will explain where you can expect to find them. We will talk about hidden fuse boxes, information guys that can potentially save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And by the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. License plate light, also known as tag light, fuses, relays. Let's explain where you can find that license plate lights, fuses, relays on that generation Chevy Equinox. But one quick advice to save even more money in the future: 9 out of 10 owners do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Chevy Equinox. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel. That's guys called Chevy Equinox fuse box location and diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Open the front right door now. In the passenger side footwell compartment on the side of the center console right here, okay, if we zoom in, that's a cover. Go ahead guys, okay, and pull that cover out, and when you do that, underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And guys, here what we need to check here specifically: multiple fuses. All these fuses guys are for BCM, body control module functions, which most likely control that function as well, because you don't have a specifically dedicated fuse. But there is very limited information about these body control module fuses, so check all of them. Most likely it's one of those. And starting here, we need to check fuse number 4, fuse number 4, 6 right here, 4, 6, 7 right here. Then you go to fuse number 8, fuse number 8. Then we go to 16, 20. After that we need to check fuse number 30 guys. All of them are almost 15 amp fuses. Check this thing out. Then you go to 31, 2, 3, 34 right here. And we need to check fuse number 40, which is very important fuse right here as well. Most likely one of these fuses control that function guys. There is very limited information, but always start checking these fuses because it could be quite simple fix. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open guys interior fuse box, we want to show you have two kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, JK's fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck, always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share guys the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well guys. So thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.